Once you can buy Coretime, you'll have to have a place where you go and buy it. That ties into Lastic. You guys are building a marketplace for that. Can you expand on why we need this? Who will be buying?
First and foremost, Coretime is for builders. It's for those right now building parachains or using templates from Tansy or Zeppelin to deploy this onto the network so they get that security and interoperability. They can use Lastic right now in Kusama. It's live on Kusama to buy their core every sale and then assign it to their parachain, and as well as when the renewal time comes, renew it on Lastic. So that's what Lastic is doing, is creating the interface for that as well as a marketplace. In case that there's no cores available, some people might want to bid for a higher cost because they really need that core. That might signal to the other owners of a core who may not need it to sell it or split it up and share a core with another team. And that's what the marketplace is for.